How to install Capital One Bank application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily download the Capital One application for your device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to Google Play Store if you're in your Android device, but for Apple device go to Apple Store. And in the search bar type for Capital One. Once you do so, simply hit the search icon. And in the results at the top, you will see Capital One UK. Once you click on install, the device will shortly be downloaded in your device. But if you don't see this option, that means this application is not available for your reason. So you need to use VPN to install this application. So that's it. That is how easily you can download Capital One Bank application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.